Welcome to the Sauce and Gravy channel. This is Johnny Mac, the Gravy Guy. Today we're going to dive into a pink sauce. The latest craze on social media seems to be a pink sauce. Yes, you heard me right, a pink sauce.
So I'm going to walk you through my version of this TikTok pink sauce craze. You can make this version in minutes with items that you have readily available at home. You don't have to buy any sort of exotic fruits or blend it. You can make this in a snap.
These are the ingredients for a pink sauce. We have 1 cup of mayonnaise, half of a teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/4 of a teaspoon of chipotle powder, half of a teaspoon of salt. We have 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 2 teaspoons of W sauce, half a teaspoon of Tabasco, 1/4 of a cup of apple cider vinegar, 2 teaspoons of Dijon mustard, and a little bit of red food coloring. Let's get into it. We'll start off with 1 cup of mayonnaise first. Just grab a bowl, pour it on in. To that, we'll add 2 teaspoons of Dijon mustard, half of a teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/4 of a teaspoon of chipotle powder, half of a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 2 teaspoons of W sauce, half of a teaspoon of Tabasco, 1/4 of a cup of apple cider vinegar. Give this a mix. This looks really good. It's nice and thick. It'll coat a chicken tender, chicken wing, grill out some chicken, throw it on it. Use this on a salad, throw it on a burger, put it on pulled pork, you name it. This will work. This actually tastes good. So let's check it out. Let's look at the consistency. It's thick. That looks good. So now all that we need to do, we just need to kind of color this up. We need to turn this pink. So I have food coloring.
Use any red food coloring that you like. Put 1 drop in at a time, give it a little bit of a stir, see if it's the color you're looking for. If not, add a little bit more. And this pink sauce recipe, you can make it in minutes with items that you have readily available at home. You don't have to go out and buy any sort of crazy fruits or any crazy ingredients. This is simple, easy to make, and taste absolutely out of this world. After testing it a few more times, I put 6 more drops in and gave it a number of different whirls with the whisk. I finally got that amazing pink sauce look.
It's thick. Oh yeah, that's good.
And this is a savory sauce. If you wanted to add a little bit of sugar to it to make it kind of taste like a yum yum sauce, you definitely could.
So this is how you make a homemade pink sauce. You'll actually want to eat this. It tastes good. It's a great conversation piece at a party, at a tailgate, you name it. Make this, everybody will be talking about it. Well, thanks for watching the Sauce and Gravy channel. I hope that you enjoyed this recipe on how to make a pink sauce. Yes, a pink sauce. It's crazy. Who would have thought? If you like dipping sauces, be sure to check out this next video. It's a great dipping sauce. And don't forget to smash that like button, hit that subscribe button to learn new sauce and gravy techniques. And I'll see you next time.